There's this 30 rupees ticket with gloves and tissue. Left free, ah. Everyone is going, so naangalum porom kootathoda. Hello people, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. This is day 3. The time is 9:50. I just finished my breakfast. There was complimentary breakfast provided by the hotel. So had breakfast, got into the riding gear, all packed, ready, set to go. Let's go load the motorcycle and ride. And like that, we are off. Left free, ah. Everyone is going, so naangalum porom kootathoda. We're out of the city, onto the national highway. It's been a while actually. Kanchipuram is about 14 kilometers, so but it's a nightmare to get out of that Sri Perumbudur traffic. When in Ambur, only star Ambur biryani. Now all these other restaurants have also come up on the highway just before we enter into the town. Now you see Dindigal Talpakatti is there. When we go to Dindigal, we'll have Dindigal Talpakatti. When in Ambur, have Ambur. No cheating, okay? So done with lunch. One mutton biryani and one coke. Not stomach filling, but more than sufficient. While riding, that's enough. Now turning the bike here is a task. Only if that bike wasn't there. It's easier for me to turn now. That's why. Not bad. It wasn't that tough to get it out of that tricky parking space. It wasn't big tricky enough. I thought I was going to struggle there. My friend had suggested a particular place on the national highway between Krishnagiri and Hosur. We'll go there. We'll see. That is something that you will have to see. I was actually shocked when I saw the shots. Such places are there in our country. You just need to pay for it. I'll show you what that's all about in a bit. Where do you get coffee here? Look at that. Lavato Pay and Use Premium Toilets. This is a premium pay and use toilet with these features here on this board. This is not only a toilet, you have all this. You have shower facilities, attendant area and a car wash as well. See all this? Let's see if they have any branches. ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದರ್ಕ ಇದು ಒಂದಾನಾ ಇದು రెండಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲೇ ಒಂದಾ ಓ ಬೆಡ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಡಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಂ so there's this 30 rupees ticket with gloves and tissue. One second.
Just walk.
No, you just have to walk.
Just walk.
Okay, this is the ticket which is worth 30 rupees. They have lot of posters. There are designs and estimate cost as well. So you walk in through this. That is for women, kids, and we have men here. Hope no one is there. Wow. You see this clean and hygienic washroom for travelers like us. Okay. All clean. Oh, this is a dressing area. Yeah. There are soap dispensers, all automatic taps. First, I have to use the washroom, then we'll talk. There are so many of these cubicles. I don't know which model or which is the model that is here represented outside on that layout. I'm not aware of that. But yeah, it's clean. It's meant for people who look after their hygiene. For those who think it's expensive, then can't help it. There is another normal one there. So yeah, place is nice. Multiple layouts with size and estimate cost. Looks like a business proposal. And this is the exit. I just need to press this button. Hold on. Just walk up. Finally, entry and exit. Dormitory pakkalangla. They provide these single beds. This will cost you 150 per hour. Okay. Company details are here, and guess what? The registered corporate office is not even a kilometer from where I stay. This is the detail. The director of this place is Mr. Naveen Singh. A nice idea. Thank you, madam. Yeah, I think it's a good idea, but you need to find out the right places to have this business set up. Nice. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Clean loose. Now let's go have coffee. So Abdi, finally someone came up with an idea to have clean washrooms and shower areas by the highway. That's good. Hopefully they expand all over the country, so travelers like me will make good use of this place. This is right next to Hotel Sri Venkateshwara Veg Restaurant on the Krishnagiri Highway, just about 2 or 3 kilometers from the toll gate. So that said, let's head home. Ayyo, I should have gone through this. Lucky, at least realize this. These trucks have been allotted with one lane completely. I have gotten comfortable with the motorcycle. My confidence level has gone up significantly compared to the ride from Pune to Bangalore. I feel a little more confident, but there are no panniers, so next ride I will plan something with the panniers so that I get used to carrying that luggage system. Thing is, panniers and saddlebags, the saddlebags tend to stick to the motorcycle and isn't as bulky as the panniers. The aluminum pannier boxes are quite bulky. So like that, we've reached base. So thank you for watching this one. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.